such a bad hotel.
Hello, miss. I'm sorry to call you at this hour. I will be there right away. Sorry, sir. Hi, miss. Welcome to Happy Hotel.
Hello, miss. Is there any available room for tonight?
Hello, miss. Just give me a minute. I will check for you.
Okay.
Yes, miss. There are 2 rooms available for tonight.
Nice. I would like to book one room for tonight, please.
Sure, miss. Let me check you in. Here is your key. Your room number is 101 at 2nd floor.
Thank you. Before I forget, we having partying in our room for tonight, so hope you don't mind with that.
Sure, miss. Enjoy your party. Hi, sir. Welcome to Happy Hotel.
Hello, miss. Can I possibly get a room for tonight?
Hi, sir. Yes, there is one available room for tonight.
That relief. Please check me in for tonight.
Sure. Give me one moment. I will check you in. Okay, sir. Everything is ready. Here is your room key. Your room number is 102. It is on 2nd floor.
And let the beat control your body. And let the beat control your body.
Oh my god. What's going there? What time is it? Why they are making so much noise? It's 3 a.m. I cannot sleep because of that loud noise.
Yes, sir. Is there any problem?
I'm staying next to your room. Could you please slow down the volume? It's too loud and I'm trying to sleep. I cannot sleep well because of the noise you are making. Do you know what time is it?
Yeah, I know what it's time now. I paid for this room, so I can do what I want. If you think you cannot stand the noise, you can change your room.
Hi, miss. Can I see your manager now?
I'm sorry, sir. Do you have any problem with your room?
Room 101 is having a party and they are making such a loud noise. I cannot sleep. I need to talk to the manager.
Oh, sorry for the trouble, sir. Hold on, sir. I will call her right away. Hello, miss. I'm sorry to call you at this hour. There seemed to be a trouble caused by a visitor in room 101. So, the visitor staying next door to this room feel annoyed and he want to talk to you.
Okay, I will be there right away.
Excuse me, sir. My manager will be here in a minute.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry, sir. I hear about you from my staff. May I know what seems to be the problem?
Are you the manager of this hotel?
Yes, sir. I am the manager. How can I help you?
I want to complain about the visitor in room 101. They are having a party and it's too noisy. I cannot sleep.
Sorry about that, sir. But they had already paid 1 million ringgit just to have a party tonight.
Are you serious? I have a very important meeting tomorrow at 9 a.m. and I still awake now.
Sorry, sir, but we cannot do anything about that. The customer had already paid.
I don't care. I want to change my room now.
Sorry, sir. Our room is full booked for tonight.
OMG, this is such a bad hotel. I'm checking out now.